to a damn thing. You stupid twat!
How did he manage that?
Just
fucking deadhead bastard!
It was quite surprising. Very eye-opening. If you've not watched that, make sure you go over. There's no bend, anything. Yeah. So as you come through, you hit, obviously, you jump at speed. And there's a few guys that still use the shaft. But the point with the flexible shaft is if you imagine coming into impact, and that shaft has a... and feel that bend, and then try and like crack the whip as you come through impact.
Whoa!
But we can't do it without your support.
The fuck was that?
Stand with us. We are the People's Channel. If it matters to you, it matters to us. Please go to gbnews.com/.
Should have left indicator on for about 3 months. Just look at it. Look at her, man.
Yeah, I was kind of in the game at the time, so I think I was well practiced.
Fuck.
That shirt on. and you take to the fields, whoever you're playing against. I remember this must be 7 or 8 years ago, before what was it, the lockdown and stuff. And thankfully I scored in the game. But I can't tell you how serious it was in the dressing room. I went away for a laugh and went to see it.
But do you like that though? Do you like the fact that it is taken seriously?
Because it's in your DNA. You never get away from it. So when you walk into that dressing room, you're thinking, right, you're looking around, you're going, right, wow, he used to be a good player. Or Teddy Sheringham is playing for us. You think, right, okay, when I get the ball, I'll pass to Teddy every single time I get it. I know it's safe there. But my goodness, super serious and super professional.
Yeah, so Ian Abrahams is going to be there throughout the course of the offering as well, and looking forward to chatting to Moose and getting some regular updates there. We have got one bit of live sport going on right now. It's the Women's Cricket World Cup. England are 2 wins from 2. It's been a good start for England to the World Cup. They beat Bangladesh last time out on Tuesday by 4 wickets. They kicked off the tournament with a win against Africa by 10 wickets. Today they're taking on Sri Lanka.
Video protected.
Another wicket. TalkSports guy Swindle. Was England making a little bit of a mess of setting this target going?
I think that's absolutely right, Sam. They were going very nicely. They were 168 for 4. They're now 169.